I'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not receiving emails, the easy way. If your iPhone Mail app isn't showing anything new and you suspect it's not receiving emails, then this tutorial will guide you through the complete steps. If you're ready, subscribe to the 3 Minutes Fix channel and let's get started. Here are simple steps you can follow to troubleshoot why your iPhone isn't getting new emails. First, open your Mail app. Swipe down from the top of the inbox to manually refresh and check for new emails. While you're there, make sure to check your junk or spam folder as the email may have ended up there. If that doesn't work, force quit the app by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and then swiping the Mail app upwards to close it, then reopen it. The next method is to check your settings. Go to your iPhone Settings app and then tap on Mail. First, check your Fetch New Data settings under Accounts. Ensure that Push is enabled or that Fetch is set to a short time interval, not manually. Next, go back to the main Mail settings. Tap on Accounts, select the problematic email account, and toggle the Mail option off and then on again. If you're not on Wi-Fi, go to Settings, then Mail, and make sure that cellular data is toggled on. If it is, try toggling it off and on again to reset the connection. Updating the Mail app is another option. Open the App Store and tap on your profile icon. Scroll down to see if there are any updates available for the Mail app, and install them if there are. Also, go to Settings, then General, Software Update to ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Sometimes the issue isn't with your phone. Use a web browser to search for email client down, for example, is Gmail down, and refine the search to the past 24 hours to see if there's a widespread outage with your email provider. As a last resort, you can delete and re-add your email account. Don't worry, your emails, contacts, and calendar are stored on the email client server and will not be deleted. Go to Settings, then Mail, then Accounts, select the account and tap Delete Account, then tap Add Account and sign in again. By following these steps, you have successfully fixed your iPhone's email receiving problem. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more iPhone video tutorials. Thanks for watching.